Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's dive right in. A website is live streaming thousands of private security cameras, and yours could be one of them. And no, this isn't science fiction. It's a real site, which begs the question, is your living room live right now?
So, how does this even happen? You'd think it's some crazy, complex hack, but the reason is shockingly simple.
It all comes down to default credentials, basically the generic username and password your camera has out of the box. Hackers know these super common defaults and just run programs to find vulnerable cameras online. It's that easy. And here's the scary part. Fewer than 1 in 5 people ever bother to change those factory logins.
But here's the good news. You absolutely have the power to lock them out, and it's really not that hard.
All right, let's talk solutions. It just takes 3 simple steps to build a digital fortress around your home. First things first, change that default password the second you set up your camera. This is the big one. Next up, make sure you use a strong and unique password. A password manager can make this a total breeze. And finally, turn on two-factor authentication. Think of it as an extra deadbolt on your digital front door. The key takeaway here is that you are in control. Don't make it easy for anyone trying to watch you. It's not about being a tech expert, It's just about taking these small, powerful actions to stay safe. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.